Alright, y'all, so we're gonna do from this angle only because privacy is key. But the other day we had a storm. They was talking about tornado watches was all over Louisiana, right? It was going crazy. My phone was jumping. So what ended up happening was, man, they had this tree. And I got baby girl, she want help, right? You gonna put in some work?
Yeah.
You sure? Man, that's a big bush back there, so all them trees gonna have to come down. All them branches, everything, we gotta pop that.
Yeah.
Alright, should we show them a closer look? This is what I already took down. I'm gonna do this as I'm gonna try to knock this out with my bare hands, bro. Let's see if I could. I'm gonna challenge myself to knock this out with my bare hands. And I've already been doing it, and I'm like, hold up, maybe I can really knock this whole thing down. But I'm gonna knock it down right quick, and y'all gonna be out here with me. So I'm sweating, y'all sweating too. Look, it hit, man. I don't know how that did that, but them ball hit. Wow, wow, wow. Them thing hit. I'm gonna see if I can knock this thing all the way down. So we're going from here. I'm gonna leave that in the root. You heard, like to be talking. I'm gonna leave that in the root. And then this, I'm gonna take all this down. I told you, girl. I tried to tell you, girl, don't be running back there. They got things in there. She like being in there. She ain't even lying. She like being in there. I got out of that. Look how big it was, man. I really like this tree. This thing stood up, tall, past a birdie. But I'm gonna have to take them down all the way. I'm completed. I'm gonna have to take them down and complete it. So, man, because we had to delete all of her footage from the cruise, and I'm still bothered by that. So we gonna come out here right now. And I was working out earlier. I do got the dummies right here. Play with the dog a little bit. Picked up some stuff from around the yard. And then I made it to the tree, and I'm like, yeah, we're gonna knock this down, right? You excited? All right. You look great.
Yeah.
That look cool.
Yeah.
All right, let's knock it out. Come on.
Come on, guys. Today, we are blogging about saying goodbye, guys.
Alright, so just to cut down some time, I'm gonna go get the scissors. Yeah, go get some scissors.
Why? So where you going?
Get the scissors.
Guys, does anyone think I can fly? Okay, I'm sweating on my head.
You sweating? I'm sweating a lot too. Yeah. It's alright. The only thing is, it's just going in my eyes. Is your sweat going in your eyes? Yeah, it's going in my eyes. Is that because I got no eyelashes?
You do.
I do? Is it because I got no eyebrows?
No, it's like going there.
Oh, you can see it?
Yeah.
Why sweat going in my eyes then? That should be my umbrella.
I don't know.
I don't know what you do with that. I'm about to go back, okay? Let's go do it. I think you do it. Roll going crazy. Roll going crazy. What? Big scissors. Tiny scissors. Like the whole thing. Say, y'all know I'm gonna have to get this video stamped. So we're gonna see. So crazy, bro. Damn tree oozing, man. Early it was like a real light, sugary. But I don't know, like, what y'all think? This is because it's old, overdue, been chilling too long? Or this is just like a bunch of it that just came out at one time? If y'all know anything about that, let me know. Because I'm curious to know. I know what we got out here, but you got to know what you got out here to know what you got out here. But I know we got stuff out here. Somebody was gonna talk. I know it. I will get some more out. Yeah. You see it? My son said, Dad, you know that's not the recycle bin, right? I said, man, this tree gonna fill them both up. You can charge, you don't stop when the music stops. Easy, a little bigger, a little easy. Working out. A little gardening. A lot. Yep. A lot. Yeah. I said I like this tree, but I didn't know what I was in. Nah, hold on now. Hold on now. Isn't it? It's good. Yeah, 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 yeah. Gotta get him down. Gotta take him down. In pieces. Gotta go in pieces. Don't go in pieces. Don't. Piece by piece. Piece by piece. Piece by piece all the time. Keep going. Just have something to light up. That's what you do with it. That's what you do with it. I had to do the shirt off. I didn't think I was gonna record it. Little brain be kicking my butt. Kicking my butt. Yeah, I don't even know if I should keep going because my camera is really running hot. And I don't know if I should keep going, if I should just stop. But y'all see the process, bro. Y'all seen the work get in. Yes, sir. We're going crazy right now. But I don't know. I might put it down. So I might put it down. I'll show you what I got when I'm done. That don't mean I'm gonna stop though. That just means that my camera running hot. So, but I don't know. We're gonna see. Oh yeah, that's a wrap. I cleared it out. There was something about this tree that I really liked, and I couldn't put my finger on it, but I was able to in the process of knocking it down, putting it on his back. Man, I put that thing on his back. It's gone. It's gone. But check this out. This was a whole pecan tree, y'all. This is a whole pecan tree. If you know, you know, right? From the south. This would have been a good surprise, y'all. And I'm upset that I had to go ahead and finalize the undoing of this pecan tree.